Imagine the excitement of winning the Silver Quality Award. A lot of people want to win the Silver Quality Award, but most first-time applicants are not successful with their application. You see, silver is a big step up from bronze, and applicants stumble because they don't understand what's required for a Silver Award application. The criteria are more complex. There are scoring guidelines to master. Now there's 78 questions to answer with 26 pages and about 20 results. Our research has shown that there are 5 common causes why more than 50% of the silver applicants fail to earn the Silver Award in their first application. Do you know how to prevent these pitfalls? We can help. At BaldrigeCoach, our success rate with silver applicants is over 95%. This is over twice the national average and the best coaching record in America. Attend our Silver Award Workshop and learn 7 ways to improve your chances of a successful Silver Quality Award. First, become fluent with the silver criteria and scoring guidelines. It's hard to win if you don't know how the examiners and judges keep score. It's also hard to win if you don't understand the questions. Next, we help you create a project plan for your Silver Quality Award. Master the skills for describing effective systematic processes. These are worth 55% of the potential points. Master the critical skills for presenting results that are most important to your organization's success. Describe your systematic fact-based evaluation and your performance improvement system. This workshop will help you avoid the most common mistakes that prevent applicants from earning a Silver Award. And during the workshop, you will receive expert advice and real-time coaching as you work on crafting your application. The workshop is designed for both first-time and prior Silver Award applicants who are not yet recipients. After the workshop, if you choose, we can provide feedback on your application drafts. Imagine that we can improve your clarity, integration, and the score. We also have a graphic artist can help you create the results figures and lay out the application in a more space-efficient way. So sign up today for the Silver Award Workshop. And as I mentioned, if you've previously applied for Silver and not won, then take advantage of our special free offer for unsuccessful Silver applicants. Send us a copy of your application feedback report. We will then schedule a free 20-minute coaching session. This will give you a head start on your next application. We're committed to helping your organization be successful, so sign up today for the Silver Award Workshop.